Afam Chief Esi Nwosu, Okaka President General Urala Climate Assembly. Nneka na Chineke maka na Urala by ebe anyị na-aga na ebe anyị si bido. By this time last year ka ndị Urala by both home and abroad kwekọtara nkwa na ngawu their President General. As a matter of fact, other than my program, it was the PG of this client. Man, as God may have it, Ghana New Yam Festival last year, being 13th of August, Ghana August meeting. It happened that actually my election, and New Year were Sinama election, move a motion that na Haganyan disappointment to come and allot this affair of Ruala for 1 year. And we had put things in place. And now Horanum Haga also that within 1 year, can we Ichikota May election for Onyweke Neba. And as God may have it, I accepted that offer because of the fact that for the fact that Manoria Urala Weke decided that Nanga would the President General. I believe that and we here for Nimem and more take it as a challenge. Still a March neck 1 year Ghana, which is this August, and a lot had been achieved. And the number one making in the rural Nina, both home and abroad. And welcome my wine. Nankwadoha, this my project Regina and Emia. Because so many things Hana medical and Yam Ghana call that rural there before. So now just a good matter, or not because of the trust and confidence I neighbor one and my team. So I'm make a new rural in Bobino and Bobinama. And since I own a young quada, still a march necker, we have gone far, we have done a lot. This civic center where IG made Obokai our civic center. Onye by Tata Gamana out the years back. Now were a great change. My idea actually was actually me put rural in the right track. Still a march neck. More be a number where a lot of friends there. And the full here man Anambra, food developments and one at town. So I feel that those things we can still do that. We think we don't know. And now I have go the civic center over a good place, an event center. I go to Magistrate Court. I am where Darada in the port in Iraq where lawyer to linter level. Je Logaria, reinforce of the place. Now, lawyer, which I'm believing that before December, that place I give the use where. And I have a pavilion, about Neme Regia. May include everywhere. Those there now we are doing tennis court. Tennis court are whereby working or when they make size. But in the Mandana, in the boy, okay, member to be rural and then may have been an equal because they didn't also. That's tennis court, UCC, Rural Country Club, and the UCA. John Akawena, the project is about 12 million naira. I charge you, we hear rest of the now it's on progress. Hopefully by the grace of before September, I will be able to and then with intention of it other sports equipment there. And my Ebunobi actually was that Motam Kwadundura, they can see where today. Actually, Kabang like called by a map over mepe or by a map over the Dema. Ibekata na market. That's I have a target to go to the market and turn the market. Other towns will market and better thing. But then we have here we have because I could see where buy now as well. They buy some water revenue. Also I had the game I then where issues nozo. Erosion then I buy get the tumor that na I will do an agreement with the Arab contractors and then the World Bank. Man, I can see that that place that's because of one thing or the other.
and the question I don't know whether the Catholic and the Islam will be nowadays. I'm a little Maratina, Alliance of Lula. I'm a teenage teacher, even United Lula. And Lula, and the two, they should be ready. I'm the Teresa, Abasia, area to the interior government. On the road, on the road, today, thank you very much. Opportunity to our young ones in the village. Education-wise, in the different ways, I can wait you guys to know. I can wait public of education as well. I can wait and also I can do those things. So all the guys are doing it. I can hand over to our teaching. Amen.